Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through Riff.ai, which is an AI platform that is designed for helping businesses build the applications, automations, dashboards, and AI agents without any heavy coding. So we will go over how Riff works, its main features, the integrations, automations, and whether it's actually useful for the real business workflows or just another AI hype tool. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Riff AI for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official homepage of Riff.ai. Now, when you are here, you will see this prompt that says agents that run on your ERP, not around it. So over here, before hopping on how you can get started with the platform, let's just briefly understand what it actually is. So as I've told you earlier, Riff AI is an AI powered business automation platform. So instead of manually building the internal tools or hiring the developers for every workflow, you can describe what you want in plain English and Riff is going to help you create it. So over here, you can build AI agents, dashboards, workflow automations, internal business applications, and it is going to connect with business systems like ERP, CRM, Outlook, SharePoint, and databases. So the main idea here is reducing the repetitive work using AI while still keeping everything connected to your real business system. Now, getting started with the platform is not so very easy, I would say, because you will need to book a demo call with them. So here click on the option of book a demo on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to fill out this form. In it, you just have to provide your first name, your phone number, then your company email. Afterwards, you need to select your job title among the given options over here. If your job title is not available, you can select the other option and then you can write your job title. Afterwards, we have the company size. So you can select the company size and then you can scroll down a bit and select the option of what ERP system do you use. So among the given options, you can select one, but if your ERP system is not listed here, you can select the other option and then you can just simply go ahead. Afterwards, we have how did you hear about us. So you can select this particular option and select the option of social media. So after filling out this particular form, you just have to click on the option of request a demo. So after doing so, you just have to do nothing but to just simply wait, because on your email address that you have put over here or on the phone number that you have added over here, you are going to receive a call from them. So on that particular call, they will try to understand your requirements with the platform. They will also make you understand what the platform is going to do for you. And then you just have to make the payment, which is also going to be specific for your requirements. And then you are going to get your sign-in credentials. Now, when you get your sign-in credentials, you just have to click on the option of sign-in, which is just before the book a demo option, and then you can sign in here with the help of any of these options. You can continue with GitHub, with Google account. You can also use SSO login, and you can also provide your email address. So after filling out these details, simply select the option of send magic link, and on your email address you will receive the email from them. You need to open that and then you just have to basically log in into your account. So over here, if we just scroll down a bit, you will see here three types of things. So first we have connect, then we have build, and then we have run. So this is where you are going to connect your tools and the systems. Afterwards, there will be the build stage, and you can either use pre-built AI agents or you can also create your own workflow and the applications inside it. Finally, in the final step, once everything is configured, your AI agents can actually run inside your workflow. So this is the simple workflow that they have mentioned on the website in simple words. Now, one of the biggest selling points of Riff is how quickly you can build the business tools. For example, when you are able to access your account, you will be able to create a sales tracking dashboard. the procurement workflow, a finance reconciliation assistance, and a marketing reporting tool. So you will be able to basically build the dashboards, the AI agents using natural language prompts. You can then start from the templates instead of building everything from scratch. And this makes the platform more beginner friendly as compared to the traditional automation tools that require heavy technical setup. Now, Riff is clearly designed more for businesses than the casual users. The platform support integrations with systems like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, Informer, and we have Business Central. It also going to support APIs and database connectors for custom integrations. Another important thing is governance and security. So Riff highlights the features like permission control, audit log, reversible workflows, and SSO support. So that makes it more suitable for the operations and enterprise environments instead of simple hobby automation projects. The most interesting feature that I would like to mention is the AI agent. So these agents can reply to your email. They can handle the procurement workflows. These can also track the approvals, reconcile the invoices, and trigger the automations automatically. Rif also mentioned that agencies improve over time by learning from the indicators and business context. For example, if your procurement team handles suppliers' delays in certain way, the AI then can remember those patterns for future workflows, and that's much more advanced than the simple chatbot style AI tool. Now, if I want to give you my honest review of Riff AI, I would like to say that platform feels focused on the real business use cases and not just the AI demos. The integrations with the enterprise system are also going to give you huge advantage. The idea of combining AI with structured workflows makes the automation much more reliable, and the pre-built templates are also going to help beginners start faster. So overall, I think that it is one of the most interesting AI automation platforms because it focuses on the real business system instead of just flashy AI demos. So if you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also press that notification bell so that you never miss any of our future review or the tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.